Hello and welcome to David and the Drone. Today you join me in the Tyndrum Hills to bag 2 Munros in Beinn Dubhchraig and Ben Oss. Our first stint from the car park would see us heading southwest through the tree line leading up to Beinn Dubhchraig, the dark crag which stands at 978 metres.
So you're going to come here and there's going to be some options to make. 2 paths, one down the middle, one to the right. If you want the safer path, certainly take a right. There's a nice bridge across the river, but a very, very boggy ascent up to Beinn Dubhchraig. If you've got more advanced skills, certainly go down the middle. You'll go through a tree line which will take you off the path. You have to kind of forge your own way, just follow the river up and manually do a river crossing.
The poor weather conditions really made for quite a challenging walk. The initial section through the tree line was incredibly boggy and it was hard to actually find the path.
So conditions still poor, making our way up the river. Visibility's really not great. Hoping it might clear eventually, but underlying it's very boggy. We're working our way up again. The path is taking a great turn, and it's quite a well made one. We think we've got about 1.5 kilometres to go. It looks quite steep. So yeah, next one will be the final ascent onto Beinn Dubhchraig. We'll see you there. So we've hit the low point. Looks like we're about to make the final ascent onto Beinn Dubhchraig. Absolutely no sight of Ben Oss or much at the minute. Poor weather conditions, but we're enjoying it. Yeah, we'll get up here, get something to eat, see you at the top. Here we are, summit Beinn Dubhchraig. Not much to see today, unfortunately. That's us down from Beinn Dubhchraig, now on the way to Ben Oss. Conditions have definitely got worse. Wind's picked up, more rain, more clouds. Makes for an exciting day. See you at the next one. So we're just carrying down Beinn Dubhchraig to Ben Oss. The wind's really started to pick up now. But luckily we've got a fantastic path underneath, so no complaints. We're working our way up to Ben Oss now. Up from the low point, relatively steep. Again, conditions the same, boggy, so the path is well defined. We can barely see anything. But enjoying it so far. Ben Oss next. We go summit Ben Oss. great path all the way up there. Again, conditions very poor. Glad to make it. Probably stop for a little bit, then head back.
Ben Oss, the Elk Mountain, stands at 1,029 metres. We were so happy to reach the summit in such challenging conditions.
So we're making our way back down from Ben Oss, down to the low point, and a good bit of ascent back up to Beinn Dubhchraig. Not up to the summit, but up and back over. No loop on this one. It's just an out and in. But good for the conditions we've had. Really enjoyed it today. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one. So we're looking down to Loch Oss here. In the distance we can see, we think is Loch Long, but it's amazing views now that the clag is cleared. And we can see where we're going next. We're climbing. Let's do it, we'll see you in the next one. Continuing our way up to Beinn Dubhchraig. Winds are very strong. Winds are 35 today. We've got the right gear on. We're not wrapped up. But we're enjoying it considering. It's been a great time to catch up with Sean. And yeah, just get out no matter the conditions, test yourself. It's great. Encourage anyone to do it. Don't be safe. See you next one.
The ascent back to Beinn Dubhchraig wasn't too intense. However, the weather continued to test us as we began our descent to the northwest. This is from around 900 metres.
And that's all the ascent done. It's only downhill from here, and a very boggy path. Sean's just ahead of me, and we're seeing the clag clearing again, just to reveal a bit of the environment. It's a stunning view. Couldn't see a thing when we came up before. Yeah, still claggy up top. Yeah, we'll see you near the bottom. So that's us out of the bog, out of the tree line, which is fantastic. I've just come across the bridge. And that concludes today's walk. I've not got a long way to the car park now, which is great. So, Beinn Dubhchraig, 978 metres, and Ben Oss, 1029. Under some really poor conditions, if I'm honest. Certainly some of the hardest to navigate that I've had so far. And a real challenge, but we've came out of it, enjoyed it, hopefully take some experience from it. So yeah, trying to do Munros every 2 weeks, and release a video at the same time. If you've got any suggestions for where you want me to go on the next one, please just leave a comment, or subscribe if you want to see the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.